Now, for me, I need to remove these, and the reason I'm removing them is because when I have this opened, I want my mittens and my socks to match. And this is not as annoying to do as doing my title page over. That is just like, you know, too much to even think about. And when people look at my pages and someone will point out, hey, you have a misspelling here, I'll say, yes, you are right. So now, what is that? I have extra stockings. So what I'm going to do is make a pattern, because I can't really take those stockings off the page. The trick is to line that up there. All right, take it off. Is to line that up right there. So now I can come and trim, and trim, and get this with a drop of glue over here. And put that down, and it is perfectamundo. So I'll finish these up and come back when I have them all down. And it is done. I will do some close-ups. This came out so good, just so good. All right, so there's my page. We open it up, and my pictures at the Oreo exhibit. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. And I made that pocket, and I inserted the pictures, the extra pictures. And how perfect is this? This is really, when I toot my own horn, I just can't help it. Look, it still has moving time over here. Okay, well, I am going to take some close-ups of this so you can see it better. And I want to thank you for joining me. I appreciate you. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and comment and like. All of that just helps me so much on the YouTube. YouTube is like, they want a lot of subscribers. And if you subscribe, that would be great. All right, my people, you take care. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I will get right back to you. And I have a question for you, actually. What things would you like to see me do? I do have my next 2 projects already in my head. I purchased something from Dollar Tree to use as a pattern. And I am going to show you how to shade. Just basic painting and basic shading and pouncing and fun, relaxing stuff. All right, bye-bye.